Hello everyone and welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. Last time, if you remember, I trained you about making notes, and for that we have learned about Google Keep. So today basically, if I talk about we being educators, the moment we step into the class, the first thing that we do is scribble on the whiteboard. However, during this lockdown period that we all are going through, we can also utilize an online whiteboard. And today, the online whiteboard that I'm going to train you is called to be as a Google Jamboard. Now, if I talk about the Google Jamboard, it has a lot of advantages. But before I start over that, let me tell you how to access this Google Jamboard. Google Jamboard can be accessed either by clicking on this G Suite apps, and in case if you scroll this down, you will find this icon, and this icon is called as Google Jamboard. Or else, you can also access the Google Jamboard by typing in the search bar jamboard.google.com. So once you click on this icon, this is what you will get in front of you, the screen. And in case if I would like to start using the Jamboard, I need to click over the plus icon over here. As you can see it over here, the one that I'm hovering my mouse on. The moment you click on this plus icon, there would be a screen that would pop up in front of you like this. Now, this is what the whiteboard that we people will be using. Now, in case if I would like to use this whiteboard and I would like to scribble on it, first and foremost, I need a marker. So if you see over here to the extreme left hand side, once you click on this arrow of the pen, you will find multiple things in front of you. It could be a pen that you people can use, or it could be a marker. It could also be a highlighter in case if you would like to highlight something, whichever things you have written on the whiteboard, or else it could be a brush. So the usage totally depends upon you. What is exactly your need? And the color of the pen, the marker, the highlighter, or the brush can be changed by clicking over these icons. So we have almost six colors which is available. That is black, blue, green, red, yellow, and white. So the moment you will click on this icon, let me just show you a demo. Let's say if I have clicked on the pen icon and I'm going to use a black color, this is how you people will be using. Okay. And in case if you have written something and mistakenly there was an error, that could be removed by two options. One is the clear frame option that you people are seeing it over here, and another is the eraser option that you people are seeing it over here. I'll take you through these things one by one. If you click on the erase option, it will give you an eraser, and the things that you would like to delete, it will only delete that thing. So let me show you a demo. I've clicked on the erase option, and if I would like to, erase only the I of high, so it was going to take out that letter only. But in case if you would like to, rub off the entire screen, for that you people can use this option over here, which is called to be as the clear frame. So the moment you're going to click the clear frame option, and let's say that you people have written something over here. So by clicking on the clear frame, it's going to erase everything out of the whiteboard. And next to that, you can see that this is the pointer option. So the pointer option that you people will be using, this is only of benefit if there is something which is written on the whiteboard and you people are highlighting. We also have another good feature in the Jamboard which is called to be as a sticky note. Now sticky note, if I talk about, this particular option can be used for a number of activities that you as an educator that you want to play in the class. Now this thing could be in the form of a hide and seek activity or anything or any which ways that you would like to use. So let's say that if I would like to create a sticky note and I've written geography over here. Okay. So what I need to do is I would be writing down my content over here and then I need to click on save. And you people can see it over here that it's coming over here now, the geography. Now, in this geography option, this will can also be like a checklist in case if you would like to cover something in the class or in the lecture that you would like to train, you can put a short note of it over here. And on the top of that, in case if you would like to insert an image. Now, when you would like to insert an image, you have to click on this icon of image on the extreme left hand side. The image can be uploaded on the whiteboard through multiple ways. Either you can upload it from your device, that means from your computer itself, or you can do an image search. Image search is obviously is going to take you to the web, and from there it's going to search with you. The only thing that you have to do is you need to type on that thing over here, and then you need to click on the search icon over here. And let me show you a demo. For example, if I would like to search for the images of the cat, it's going to take me over there. And in case if I would like to use this image, I simply have to click on that image, and then I will be clicking on the select option which is given over here. So the moment I click on the select option, automatically the picture is going to be pasted over here. And this again can be used for a multiple things, right? It could be used in the training in case if you would like to show, to the students something, because we know that in our classes we have a mixed candidates sitting. Some of them, they are visual learners. So in case if you would like to show them something which they have never seen, let's say in case if you're training students about travel and they have not visited that place before, you can quickly take them to the Google search and then you can show the images over there. So this three dot icon that you see it over here is either for duplicating the image or you can delete it from here. And other options that I would like to show it over here is from the Google Drive. Now, anything that you have shared in the Google Drive that you would like to paste it over here, that could be taken out from this particular option. And or in case if you have saved it, somewhere, if I talk about in your computer and the photos, they are already lying it over there, you can click it out from here. Okay. So let's go back. And the next thing that I would like to show you is the laser option. A lot of time, we being trainers, when we are delivering the lectures in the class, we would like to highlight something which is written on the board. And if I would really like to put an emphasis on that thing, for that purpose, I can use it the highlighter or this laser option which is given over here. And now, if I would like to change the background of this particular board can be changed through these options that you see there in front of you. It can be in the form of a dot, yeah, or you can make it in the ruler format in case if you would like, if you're training regarding the handwriting, you can use this thing. And it can be a checkerboard in case if it is something to do with the graph or the maths portion altogether. And you can use this graph portion also, or you can use this color, or finally it could be a black. So whiteboard, blackboard, you can use it either ways. And last but not the least, the things that I would like to show you is, now let's say my one whiteboard is utilized and I have a lot of content that I need to train the students on. Now what I can do is I can put another whiteboard screen in front of me. All that I have to do is I need to click on this icon that you can see right on the top. So the frame can be created through this particular option. I can click on this next arrow. It's obviously going to put up another whiteboard there in front of me. Yeah. And another good feature of this Google Jamboard is, so anything that you are writing down over here. Now initially in the classes what happens is once the lecture gets over and the second teacher or the trainer is getting inside the room, we need to wipe off the whiteboard. However, in this case, whatever is there on the whiteboard, it can be saved. It's automatically saved. And another good feature is that this particular Jamboard is also in sync. That is, and it can be, it's also automatically getting saved altogether in the Google Drive. So in case if I would like to share to someone like my another colleague or to the students altogether, all that I have to do is I will be clicking on the share option over here. And once I click on the share, either I can copy the link and I can share the link with my entire class and they can view it, or else in case if I would like to share it with one of my colleague, let's say that that colleague is this. So what I can do is I can type in the email address and then that person can either be invited as a viewer or it can be invited as an editor. So this is something that I would like to highlight a little bit more. See, viewer, when you're choosing the viewer option, this person will only be able to see the content which is there on the whiteboard. However, if you are inviting someone to be an editor, in that particular case, that person has full authority of making the changes on the whiteboard as well. So I would request you to please select these options very categorically, very strictly it needs to be taken care of. And whichever person I'm inviting, I need to make this box a check, notify people, because if I'm putting a check box in this box which is mentioned over here, automatically the people, they are going to be notified. And if you want to put a short message to them like I'm sharing the whiteboard, then I can put the things over here. And rest, once everything is done, you need to click on this option send, and the moment you're going to send, that is, that thing is going to be, or that Jamboard is going to be shared with that person altogether. And another thing that I would like to highlight it to you is anything that you would like to share. Let's say that today I'm taking a class and this class is in relation to the geography. I can save it in this format. I just need to put up the things over here. I can change the heading. I can rename the headings over here. And once it is renamed, the same way it is going to be saved in your Google Jamboard option. And in case next day or next period, you have something else to share, what we can do is, as I've stated before, I can go back to the Google Jamboard. I can click on this option over here, New Jam, and then automatically my next whiteboard is going to be there for my next class. So another benefit of using the Google Jamboard is that my things, they are getting saved, and there is no need for us to worry about that the things, they are going to be deleted anyhow. Yeah. So please ensure that you may use Google Jamboard as an online whiteboard option which is available, and it's going to be beneficial for you. So this was all about the Google Jamboard. Thank you so much.